All right, testing. It's good to be back again. It's been a while, guys. Oh, all right, guys. Just testing here. You can hear me. Testing microphone. Okay, so let me share my screen. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back. We're back to pre-London live market analysis with ProFx. Back to back contents. We are back, man. We are back. Back to back. Yeah. If you can see my screen, if you can hear me loud and clear, please signify on the chat box. You can hear me, you can see me. You can hear me, you can see me. Okay. I'm on this trade on Euro USD, so I'm expecting this drop. I'm just testing to see how we can get this back together. All right, so we are going to be spending our time mastering our what I call it. I won't call it newborn baby now. CRT. Okay, we're gonna be spending time CIT, because there are instances whereby the market will present to us a CIT opportunity, and sometimes it presents to us a CRT opportunity. Okay, so CIT. Okay, can you see my screen? Can you hear me? Please let me get that confirmation. Okay, let me confirm from here. You deserve it all. You deserve it all. Deserve it all. You deserve it all. Give me your song. Okay, I think I'm live. I'm live. I can see from here. I'm live. You deserve it all. Give me your song. Okay, I think I'm live. I'm live. I can see from here. I'm live. Give me your song. Okay, I think I'm live. I'm live. I can see from here. I'm live. Okay, so this is all I wanted to do, just to come and test my mic and to inform you that we are back to pre-London live market analysis. So by the special grace of God, yeah, CIT play all through the week. Yeah. So that's why I said the price action will present to you. Write this down. Price action presents to you CRT and CIT opportunities. Let me give us a little bit of note before we go. Price action will present to you CRT, IT opportunities. So it is your duty to identify which is CRT and which is CIT. Price action will present to you CRT and or CIT trading opportunities. So CRT, CIT, right? Every Thursday. So today by 12 p.m. on my YouTube channel, we will come again to have our series. So we are doing this series every Thursday by 12 p.m. CRT, CIT Masterclass series. So today we converge again to have. Okay. Now this week, CIT played out throughout this week. I'm going to show on chat now. Okay, I'm going to show on chat now. Price action we present to you CRT and or. Let's write it in the chat box, everybody. Write down the chat box. Action we present to you CRT and or CIT opportunities. Write it down in the chat box. Let me confirm you're following. Price action we present to you CRT and or CIT trading opportunities every single time. When the price action is playing out, and I know that you see that I've said several times that price action is what? Candlestick, right? There are only two things that it can give you. It's either a CRT pattern or a CIT pattern. Yes or yes? Because the charts price prints out in candles. So your candlestick can only give you a CRT pattern or a CIT pattern, nothing more. That's deep. That's deep. I'm back. I'm back. Come on now. Yeah. If you agree with me on you. We're not typing in the chat box. Can someone type in the chat box? Price action will present to you CRT or CIT trading opportunities. Yeah. If you can hear me, please confirm on the chat box. We are not typing. What's wrong? What's it? Yeah. Then let me show us how when I say this week printed out. This week printed out CIT all true. How does CIT look like? Okay, what is CIT? CIT is candle impulse theory. Yeah. CIT is what? Candle impulse theory. How does it work? Watch carefully. We have a process for how CIT forms. If the candle, if the next candle closes above or below the previous candle high or low, high or low, CI most likely applicable. So difference between CIT and CRT is the sweep or the run. So when your candlesticks close, body closes, body close. When your candlestick, if the next candlestick, that means it closed with the body above or below the previous low, most likely you apply CIT because you're expecting a continuation. So we expect a continuation here. We expect a continuation. We expect a continuation in CIT model. All right. If the next candle if the next candle body closes above or below the previous candle high or low, CIT is most likely applicable. We expect the continuation. Look at this. This is Friday. How did Monday close? Monday closed above the high of Friday. Yes or yes? Monday, the high of Friday. So this Monday candle is our CIT. Monday closed above Friday's high. This Monday candle becomes a CIT. We expect the next day to be bullish. Simple. Did we get that? Friday is here. Monday becomes CIT candle. How do we get the CIT model? We just mark our gun box from the low to the high, and we expect a retracement to all these levels, either this or this or this. So you monitor our price is retracing into all these 1, 2, 3 levels for a continuation. Sometimes price gets into 75, sometimes price does 50, sometimes price does 25. So you don't know which one we used. You just monitor according to the price action. So let's investigate. For this our Monday CIT, what was the level and what was the location that was used? Let's go to lower time frame. So from your daily, you can drop down to your 5 minutes or 15 minutes. You can drop down to your 5 minutes or 15 minutes to get your location. 15 minutes will be a bit it's a bit okay. Yeah, cut this trade. We cut this buy. We cut this buy. Let me see 1 hour or 30 minutes. Okay, let's start with 1 hour first. Let's start with 1 hour first. You will notice this candle low, Monday candle high, right? So we saw that there is a internal break of structure here that has a fair value gap. That makes this range valid. So when price is retracing, we saw that there is what internal break of structure that has a fair value gap. So in this case, price don't have to come to equilibrium or 25. There is already there is already a location that is valid, a break of structure that has a fair value gap, a break of structure that has a fair value gap. That makes that. And to now heist your cake, there is now CRT inside that location. Look at it carefully. Inside my fair value gap, there is what CRT model. Our previous candle, which is our 1 p.m. Okay, see, look at what happened. 2 p.m. swept 1 p.m. and that's why we caught the confirmation. If you don't understand how this works, you have to join the masterclass series. I'm just explaining how we caught the trade. Okay, is our 1 hour candle range low, candle range high that gave us the confirmation in our fair value gap. If you want to get more understanding of how this works, you join this series. So number one, we saw that there was a daily CIT established, and now there is now 1 hour CRT. So this trade was a combination of what? CIT and CRT. Daily CIT, 1 hour CRT. The daily CIT, we saw price retraced into the range of 0.75 and 0.5 because there was a break of structure internal and a fair value gap. So that was the location. That was when price now got into that location, we now saw a confirmation. So it's not enough for price to get into your location. It's not enough for price to get into your location. There must be a confirmation in your location. Direction, location, confirmation still stands. Direction, location, confirmation still stands. So beyond price getting to your location, what is the confirmation you are looking for? In this case, our confirmation is CRT. We want to see that there is a sweep for a buy scenario. You are expecting a sweep of your candle range low and trades back into the range that you buy. So that's what we saw here. So on 1 minute, 3 minutes, you see your precise entry. Price swept back into the candle range, and what we had a buy opportunity all the way up, all the way up, all the way up. So this is it, guys. After the sweep, we saw a what? In this case now, we didn't displace until this place, right? We didn't displace. That means this is the lower high, lower low, and this was when price shifted structure. But me, I caught my own buy from the internal range because I've already seen that price has already started giving me a structure. Once price swept, it gave me a 0, 1, 2, 3. So I don't have to even wait for this to shift. I enter my buy from here. Then price came and continued. So this is how you can, when you backtest, right, you will catch some things that is not being taught by anybody, any mentor, any guru. When you understand, once you understand how the market works, you go and backtest. You catch some things that is not being taught because you understand the basics. The price and the chart begins to talk to you. Okay, so I rest my case here. I'm just doing a test just to see to get ourselves back on track. So it's good to be back again. So every day from seven to 8 or thereabouts, we are here for pre-London live markets. We will trade together, right? Analyze together, trade together, analyze together, trade together. So I'm currently on this trade, and I expect today to be bearish. I expect a bearish day today, or at most come to take out this inducement into this other block. I expect a reversal today. Okay, I expect a reversal today. Okay, currently selling, 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 selling. Okay, any question, any contribution, any feedback? So, how did I catch this sell? I used 4 hour CRT to catch this sell personally. This guy, which is the 18 o'clock, this guy is the 6 p.m. p.m. I can see very clearly that it's giving me a 4 hours candle range vibe. So I saw that this guy swept and he swept and closed. I be like, there's no other way again. This guy is going to come and take out what's my candle range low first before he start doing anything else. Can you see how simple this is? Very simple. So this is what I saw this morning. When I saw the formation of my first range, I saw price that swept and closed inside. Second one too, swept and closed inside. That's my sell. That is where I started selling from. My stop was above. My first TP is going to be here. My second TP, because of this location of order block and this liquidity, I expect comes into that location. And on 1 hour, I'm seeing that I still have a long way to go. So I'll take here or break even here, allow the rest to run to my 1 hour order block. And if I on my session, I'm saying that the next liquidity target is here. The next liquidity target is my New York low. Okay. My next target for liquidity is my what? New York low. So I have confidence that this guy is gonna come here. I have confidence that this guy's. I just have that feel that okay. Except price wants to do otherwise. Okay, let's see what's happening here. We have a new break of structure. Otherwise will now mean that I have my higher low and higher high. Yeah, so at least price will come to take out candle range low because my that's where the equilibrium is. The equilibrium is at what? At my candle range low. So I'm expecting price to come and take out my candle range low for first. So I might just close up position here or I take partials and break even. All right. So any of those two. But we are currently making crazy profits. Crazy profits. Crazy profits. That'll be all for today.